Who says lasagna has to take hours to make or sit stiff on a plate? Today, we're turning this classic into a playful, spoonable delight. Lasagna soup. Prepare for bubbling tomato goodness, gooey cheese, and pasta perfection, all in one quick and cozy recipe. For this dish, you'll need Italian sausage, garlic, onions, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, chicken broth, lasagna noodles, Italian seasoning, and of course, mozzarella, ricotta, and Parmesan cheese. Simple ingredients, maximum comfort, the kind only lasagna, now in soup form, can bring. Start by browning your Italian sausage in a large pot. Once savory and sizzling, toss in chopped onions and garlic to build that irresistible base. Add tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, chicken broth, and Italian seasoning. Stir it together. It already smells amazing, doesn't it? Break those lasagna noodles into bite-sized pieces and cook them right in the soup until tender. Keep stirring so they soak up all the savory broth. Oh, we're not done yet. Now comes the star of the show, cheese. Ladle your steaming soup into a bowl and top it with dollops of ricotta, a sprinkling of mozzarella, and a generous shower of grated Parmesan. Watch that cheese melt into gooey perfection. The result? Lasagna you can sip, slurp, and love in minutes. Make this lasagna soup your new favorite. Share your delicious creation with friends, take some drool-worthy photos, and tag us. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more playful, foodie-approved recipes. Let's make every meal an adventure, starting with this heavenly soup. Now grab your spoon and dig in.